Hello dears, good morning all. Once again, warm welcome to Majma Online Education. Today, we are going to study a very interesting chapter. Our chapter number 6, Up Above the Sky. Do you know what's the meaning of sky? What's that? Yes, Agasha. Okay, then what are the things you can see in the sky? What? Okay, we can see sun. Then stars. Okay, we can see stars. Then moon. Okay, we can see moon. Then is there any other thing? What's that? Say loudly. Yeah, very good. Clouds. Okay. So when in the daytime, when we look in the sky, we can see sun. We can see clouds. Can we see moon during the daytime? No. Can we see stars in the daytime? No. Okay. Then what's the reason? You don't know. Okay, that we can study later. But at night, we can see some other things in the sky. Which are there? Yes, we can see stars in the sky. Then we can see moon in the sky. Okay. Then, which time do you like best or very well? Night. What's the reason? Yeah, not so hot. Very good. During the night, we cannot feel hot. But during the daytime, we can feel hot. Then can you say what's the reason? What's the reason? Yeah, during the daytime, there is a sun in the sky. So, because of the presence of the sun, we get warm or we get hot. Okay. But during the night time, there is no sun. Then where is the sun? Oh, sun is in other country. Yeah, okay. That also we can discuss later. During the night time also, sun is in the sky. But we can't see the sun in the night. But it doesn't mean that sun is not there. Sun is there in the sky, but sun is standing other part of the earth. Or we can say in other country, as you said. Okay. So, during the daytime, we can see the sun and we can feel the presence of the sun because we are getting warm, we are getting hot. And during the night, we cannot see the sun, but we can see another thing. What's that? Yes, it is moon. Then I am going to ask one question. Sun gives us light. You know that. Sun gives us light, then sun gives us heat also. Moon also gives us light. But at night, we cannot feel warm. What's the reason? What's that? Don't know. You have no idea. Okay. Moon is not a star, but sun is a star. Okay. Star means they are some particular objects that we can see in the sky and they are tingling or they are shining. That means they have their own light. They have their own light. They are always shining or tingling. Tingling in Malayalam inni tilanguga. I think in your KG section you have studied one nursery rhythm, nursery poem. That is, tingle, tingle, little star, how I wonder what you are, up above the world so high, yeah, like a diamond in the sky. Okay, you know that. That means star is always tingling, they are always lighting and they provide light. Clear? Sun is also a star. So it has its own light. It can tingle or it can shine. But the moon is not a star. So it cannot shine. It cannot tingle. So it doesn't give its own light or its own heat for the people. But because of the presence of the sun, when the sun's light falls on the moon reflects the light. The moon reflects the light. That is why we get light, but we cannot get warm at night. Okay. So, there is a question for the exam. The moonlight is not hot. Why? The moonlight is not hot. What's the reason? Because moon has no light of its own. It reflects the light of the sun. Clear? So, now you studied what are the things you can see in the sky. What are the things you can see in the sky? We can see stars. We can see moon. At night, then in the daytime, we can see sun. Then we can see clouds. Clear? Then, another point you study that what is a star or what's the meaning of stars? Stars are heavenly bodies. Heavenly body means the things that we can see in the sky. Okay, and they have their own light. They have their own light and they shine in the sky. So, stars are heavenly bodies shine in the sky. Clear? So, what's a star? Stars are heavenly bodies shine in the sky. Once again, you please say, stars are heavenly bodies shine in the sky. Clear? Sun is also a star. Remember that. Sun is also a star. Then, what are the things sun gives us? What are the things or what we get from the sun? Very important point. Sun gives us heat and light. Without sun, we can't live. Without sun, we can't live. Because we need sun's light. We need sun's heat. Because you know that we eat different types of plants. We eat different types of different parts of plants. So plants need sun's light for its growth. So if there is no sun, no plants grow in the earth. So without plants we can't live. Okay, all that points you will study in your higher classes. Now you understand that sun is very important for us because sun gives heat and light. Not the point. Sun gives heat and light. Then without sun we can't live in the earth. Clear? And stars are heavenly bodies that shine in the sky. Sun is also a star. You know that. Then once again, what is the peculiarity of moon? Moon is not a star. Okay, moon is not a star and it has no light of its own. Moon is not a star and it has no light of its own. It just reflect the light of the sun. Moon just reflect the light of the sun, so at night we do not get hot or we do not get warm. Clear? Now, you know that we are living on the earth. We are living on the earth. You know that. And the sun, earth, moon, all are belong to a particular system or all are belong to a particular family. Like our earth, so many other parts are also there in this universe. Okay, like our earth, so many other parts, parts of land or other heavenly bodies are also in this universe. So it's a very big family. So many members are there in that family. So that family simply we can call as solar system. What's the name of that? Solar system. Okay, in your lower class you study different types of family, that is single family, joint family, like that. We can take your family. In your family, who are the members? Yeah, your parents, that is father, mother, then your brothers, sisters or younger sister, elder sister, like that. Likewise, in solar system, the center is our sun. Sun is the center of the solar system and so many other members are there. The members' name we can study in the next class. Okay, and you just understood that each member is called a particular name that is known as planet. Clear? So, what is a planet? All of you understood what is solar system. Solar system means it is a very big family. In that family, Earth and some other heavenly bodies are there. And in the solar system, so many planets are there. And who is the center of the solar system? Yes, Sun is the center of the solar system. Okay, so we can call this Earth and other family members of the Sun is a planet. So what's a planet? Planet is a particular heavenly body that always move around the Sun. Understand? It is a particular heavenly body that always move around the Sun, because Sun is the center of the solar system. So each planet or this Earth and other this type of heavenly bodies all time move. They move in a particular path. That path means vali. That vali is called orbit. Remember that, orbit. So Earth and other family members, that means other heavenly bodies, or we can say other planets, always move around the Sun. So what is a planet? Planets are heavenly bodies that always move around the Sun through a particular path or through a particular valley. That valley is called orbit, or that path is called orbit. Clear? So once again, what is a star? Stars are heavenly bodies. They are shining in the sky. Our Sun is also a star. Okay, now you understood or now you studied what is a solar system. Solar system is a very big family, or we can say it's a group of a number of heavenly bodies, and the center of that is our Sun. Okay, our Earth is also a member of that solar system. Clear? So this Earth is known as a planet. So what is a planet? Planet is a heavenly body and that revolve. Revolve means chuttum karanguga, allil karanguga. That revolve around the Sun through a particular path. Okay, so planets revolve around the Sun. Then you know that moon. Moon is not a star. Moon is not a planet. It is called, or it is known as another name. It is known as satellite. What's that? Satellite. But our Earth is a planet. Our Sun is a star. Clear? Sun is a star, Earth is a planet, and Moon is a satellite. Satellite means satellites are also heavenly bodies. They move not around the Sun, but they move around the planet. That is the only difference. Satellites move around the planet, but planets move around the Sun. Once again, planets move around the Sun, satellites move around the planets. Clear? Once again, satellite moves around the Sun, but satellite moves around the planet, but planet move around the Sun. Okay, so please note the point. Planets are heavenly bodies. They move around the Sun. Planets are heavenly bodies. They move around the Sun. Satellites are heavenly bodies. They move around the planet. Clear? Satellites are heavenly bodies. They move around the planet. So which is the satellite of our Earth? Moon. Once again, I am going to ask some questions. Dash gives heat and light. Who gives heat and light? Yes. What's the answer? Sun. Sun gives heat and light. Next question. Sun is a dash. Sun is a, very good, Sun is a star. Then Moon do not give hot, or moonlight is not hot. Why? Moonlight is not hot. What's the reason? Because moon reflects the light of the sun. Moon just reflects the light of the sun. Because of that, moonlight is not hot. Then, what's the meaning of star, or what are stars? Stars are heavenly bodies shine in the sky. Clear? Then sun is a star. Then dash is the center of solar system. Who is the center of solar system? Yes, answer is sun. Then once again we can discuss what is a satellite and what is a planet. Planets are heavenly bodies and they revolve around the sun. Clear? Next one, satellite. Satellites are heavenly bodies. They move around the planet. Clear? Then we live in which planet? Yes, we live in the earth. Then which is our satellite? Yes, moon is the satellite of our earth. Clear? Now it is the time to wind up here. More points we can study in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.